Susan and Nancy from Empty Nesters and True Crime. I'm so glad to have my True Crime buddy back.
I'm so glad to be back. We've missed each other.
We have. It's been 2 weeks?
Yeah,
It's been 2 weeks. It's been over 2 weeks. So anyway, I'm glad to have you back. We both went on trips. Your trip just went on forever and mine did not.
Well, you go on more.
Well, okay, maybe. But one stop we made was in Savannah. So this week's story is taking place in Savannah.
Oh,
you know, there's
Savannah.
a lot of fun things that go on in Savannah, spooky, but this is a good one. I think you're gonna like it. I don't know about this drink because usually I will practice a couple times before we. This one,
we're going for it.
We're just gonna do it. It's a punch. It's called the Chatham Artillery Punch. So back in the Civil War times, the military would get together, and this punch, a wild time happens when you're drinking this punch. And every party needs refreshments, right?
That's right.
So when the military guys partied, they knew how to party. They'd make this punch and they'd make it in oak barrels. So we're gonna test out the punch that our military drank a lot of and would pass out on. And we have Sergeant A.B. Luce to credit for this creation. So let's find out how of a hardcore alcoholic Luce was. Sergeant Luce, this one's for you. So, back in the day, they filled their barrel with ice, and we're going to put in 2 cups of black tea. And we aren't even in Boston, and we're having some tea. Black tea. Oh, so we need this, because now we're going to add 2 cups of cognac. What liquor is cognac? Where do you find it in the liquor store? Is it well, I thought it was a scotch. It's not. It's a brandy.
Oh.
Woo!
It smells strong.
2 cups of bourbon. 2 cups of bourbon. My husband's face is probably like, holy crap, what is she doing with my bourbon? Ha ha! We're having a party. Where not one person's going to be standing when we're done.
Ooh, it's a lot of liquor.
2 cups of white rum. Now I have thought about this very seriously. I've thought, what if this does taste good? We most certainly cannot drink us all. I'm going to freeze. Nancy, what is this?
That is oleo saccharum.
Oleo saccharum. Now, this is not easy to make. This is special.
Okay.
You have to peel the lemons. You peel the lemons with a vegetable peeler. Put them in a bowl. About 12 lemons. I use lemons and limes. I did get alcohol because I did juice the lemons and limes. The juice is separate. You put the peels in a bowl. You put a 1.5 cups of sugar in it. You let it sit overnight so that it gets all the juices that are in the rind out. I actually tasted this by itself. It was pretty good. You can make a really good lemonade with that. Stir it up. But we're not done. Nancy, I need you to open that sucker for me. Come on, Nancy. You've been on vacation. I know you've been doing lots of hiking.
I got it. Oh, Jesus! Oh, God.
Nancy tried to kill us. That's how shots were fired back in the Civil War. Boom! Boom!
But I did it. Whew.
And then we're going to pour the champagne in our punch. And I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't know about Sergeant Luce. I don't know. He could have been a raging alcoholic. We don't know. I'm going to stir it up.
Give it a swirl, I think.
Oh, it needs a swirl. So, this nifty cup I got at the Pirate House in Savannah.
Oh,
Isn't it cute? I know. I ordered a drink I really didn't want, and I said, but I want the cup. And after she gave me the drink, she said, honey, I could have made you any drink you wanted in that cup.
Oh!
So now you know at the Pirate House, she can make you, honey, any drink you want in this cup. Oh, Nancy. Hold on, Nancy. We're going to do it together. I'm not going to make Nancy do this by herself. Because we just don't know. We just don't know.
That's the fun part. All right.
All right, Nancy. To Savannah.
Here we go. It's good.
It's actually not bad. It's actually, I mean, it's got liquor in it.
It has liquor in it.
But I think it's more smooth than like an old fashioned.
Oh, yeah.
Or a vodka martini. So.
But a few of these, Susan, we might have some dancing on the table videos. Just saying.
Folks, I used to have a dancing on the table video of Nancy.
I must have had a few of these. That's very good.
She begged me to delete it. So I deleted it. That's what good friends do, right? That's what good friends do. And then a couple days later, she said, will you send me the dancing on the table video? I said, I deleted it. You
I
said
guess it was a
delete
hit, though. I don't know.
It was cute. Well, maybe
good,
there
Susan.
might be a dancing on the table video before this night's over. So
Very
this
good.
is our Chatham Artillery Punch. And I think that, especially if you got bourbon drinkers coming to your party, like the bourbon party we have every year,
That'll be a good one.
we can make this.
It's definitely more of a mature party type of drink.
Yeah, and you can actually put some like oranges, sliced oranges, lemons, something on top. That would add more of a citrusy flavor as it sat through the night. Yeah. So, follow, subscribe, and if anybody makes this punch, we want the videos.
Yeah, all the fun stuff that's going to happen. And Susan, I'm super excited to hear your episode on Sunday.
Well, Sunday, 10 o'clock, Empty Nesters and True Crime. We will be talking about a very serious murder in Savannah, Georgia.